The other part of our business is we do quite a bit of restoration work and work on high-end and ultra high-end buildings, both old and new. We've done work for the White House, we've done the restoration for Statue of Liberty, Ellis Island. So yeah, a lot of these projects do require a lot of customization, very intricate detail, significantly more detail than you can get from other manufacturing processes. In the past, we used to use a casting process to replicate older escutcheons and lever handles and items like that. And now with new machining technology, whether it be CAD/CAM software, as well as the ability for these machines to be able to take in thousands and thousands of lines of code and produce surfaces that were unimaginable before, it's made our life a heck of a lot easier in making custom hardware and replicating hardware for buildings built literally hundreds of years ago.